the delivery of the OnlineMedEd resources is direct. It's simplified to exactly what you need to know, and especially in medicine when we're in those high pressure emergent situations, that's what we need to be trained to know. And I think, there's the explanations behind everything as to why this XYZ is the answer and why we should think this way. And, I really appreciate that delivery because it's very similar to how we should be thinking in the hospitals. And remember, you've made it this far and you belong here. You've got this.
You got this.